What are the center and radius of the circle described by this equation? X squared plus y squared minus 8x plus 6y minus 11 equals 0. All right, so let's regroup these terms by like terms. So we have x squared minus 8x, and then plus y squared plus 6y, and then we're going to add 11 to both sides, so that equals 11. All right, now let's complete the square here first. So we have x squared minus 8x. All right, so we take 8, divide it by 2, which is 4, and then square it. So plus 16. Here we have y squared plus 6y. We have 6, divide that by 2, we get 3. 3 squared is 9. All right, and we still have equals 11. But now we're going to add 16 and 9 to the right side as well, because you can't add them over here without also adding them over there. All right, so this simplifies to x minus 4 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals 11 plus 16 plus 9, which is 36. So we have an h value of 4, a k value of negative 3, and a radius of 6. Because r squared is 36, therefore the radius is 6. So the answer is B. What are the center and radius of the circle described by this equation? X squared plus y squared minus 8x plus 4y minus 5 equals 0. All right, so let's regroup them. So we have x squared minus 8x plus y squared plus 4y, and then we're going to add 5 to both sides, and we get 5 on the right side of the equation. All right, first we'll complete this square. So x squared minus 8x plus what? So 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 squared is 16. Now we'll complete the square here. Y squared plus 4y plus 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 squared is 4. And we still have 5 over here, but now we also have to add 16, and we have to add 4. All right, so this can be simplified to x minus 4 squared. This is y plus 2 squared equal to 25. All right, so we have an h value of 4, k value of negative 2, and the radius of 5. So that is 4, negative 2, 5. The answer is A. What are the center and radius of the circle described by this equation? X squared plus y squared plus 16x minus 22y plus 174 equals 0. All right, so first we'll regroup. So first are the x's. So x squared plus 16x, then the y's. So y squared minus 22y, and then equal sign, we'll move the constant over there. We'll subtract 174 from both sides. Now let's complete the square. So x squared plus 16x plus 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 squared is 64. All right, then we'll complete this square here. Y squared minus 22y plus 22 divided by 2 is 11. 11 squared is 121. And set that equal to negative 174. However, we then need to add 64 and add 121, because you can't add them on this side unless we also add them on the right side. All right, this simplified is x plus 8 squared plus, we have this, which is y minus 11 squared, equal to negative 174 plus 64 plus 121, which is 11. All right, so we have an h value of negative 8, we have a k value of 11, and we have a radius of the square root of 11, because 11 is r squared. So that is negative 8, 11, square root of 11. We have C as our answer. The equation x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 2y equals b describes a circle. Determine the y coordinate of the center of the circle. All right, so we group these based on x's and y's. We have x squared minus 4x plus y squared plus 2y equals b. Now, to find the y-coordinate of the center of the circle, we only need to solve this portion right here. So let's complete this square. Y squared plus 2y plus 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 squared is 1. So we're also going to add 1 to the right side. But if we simplify this, we get y plus 1 squared. Therefore, the k value is negative 1. So the answer is B. In the answer here, we have solved this portion as well, and we've found that the center of the circle is at 2, negative 1. However, we were only asked for the y-coordinate, so I only solved for the y side. But here you see the full solution. The equation x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 2y equals b describes a circle. The radius of the circle is 7 units. What is the value of b in the equation? All right, so let's solve this. So we have x squared minus 4x plus y squared plus 2y equals b. So let's complete these squares and then see what we get. So we have x squared minus 4x plus 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 squared is 4. All right, we'll complete the square here. Y squared plus 2y. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1 squared is 1. So we have b plus 4 plus 1. So this becomes x minus 2 squared plus y plus 1 squared equals b plus 5. So we know that the radius of the circle is 7. So this would be radius squared equals b plus 5. Therefore, the radius equals the square root of b plus 5. And we know that this equals 7. Let's square the whole thing. So we get b plus 5 equals 49. This is a b. So b equals 44. So the answer is C. The equation x squared minus 8x plus y squared equals 9 defines a circle in the xy coordinate plane. To find the radius of the circle, the equation can be rewritten as, alright, so let's complete the square. We have x squared minus 8x plus y squared equals 9. So we'll complete this square here. X squared minus 8x plus 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 squared is 16. So plus y squared equals 9. So we have to also add 16 to this side. All right, so this becomes x minus 4 squared plus y squared equals 25. So x minus 4 goes in here, and 25 goes in here. So 2 and 5, which is D.